Thanks for joining Tech Cool, as we take a look at the latest, coolest gadgets that's available for you. As usual, the links to all of these products are contained in the video description below. Let's get started. Hut W8, it's for people who want a very efficient and thorough cleaning result. The Hut W8 is the perfect window cleaning robot. You'd clean your windows with either water or dry cleaning. Thanks to its dual water spray technology, you can always check the water level, and because of the prominent design of the water level indicator, it's even easier. The hot process is current status. Users of the W8 can reach tiny spaces with less effort, and without missing because of its 8 cm ultra-thin body. The Hut W8's high-density pad will clean your windows thoroughly and leave no residue. The price of the Hut W8 is $349. Dark Fade. The Dark Fade flashlight is a revolutionary light because it always provides the perfect amount of light without blinding or confusing you. It also fits in your pocket and can be clipped onto your belt. And ensure that the light shines in the desired direction at all times, and if you place it on the ground, the LED is nice to look at, but the light has been great since the Dark Fade. It is built with a lens that is actually 200 micros lenses put together, and uses Samsung's finest LED. This creates the most supple light conceivable since the charger is also a part of the Dark Fade. Any USB-C cable can be used to get the job done, but if you really want the best option available, go for the Dark Fade. Purchase the Dark Fade flashlight right now for just $132. The CycleMate 2.0. How would your enjoyment of riding get affected if it was uncomfortable to sit on the seat? Probably not much. Perhaps you should think about the CycleMate 2.0 for added comfort. It is the ideal bike seat cushion since it is cozy, quake-proof, light, and durable. The distinctive 3D airbag design of the CycleMate is neither too rigid nor too soft. Air-filled cells are compressed by gravity in this design, and then the air flows with one another to create a uniform anti-gravitational effect that can reduce more of the body's pressure on the ground. This is the battery-powered Nest Cam from Google. It's a camera with built-in intelligence that helps keep an eye on your home. It allows you to monitor your favorites 24/7 with its live view and has a rechargeable battery so that you can install it anywhere around the house. The camera will also detect people, vehicles, and animals, so you'll be alerted when your dog walker arrives. You can set up custom zones, which will notify you only when something happens in the areas you care about. For example, if you're at home and notice that something is missing from your balcony, without even opening home, your phone will alert with a beep and vibration. Well, Nest Cam's video history lets you play back events from up to the past 3 hours, so you'll see exactly when your neighbor's kid borrowed your bike and that shiny thing is a family heirloom. If you want access to video history, go ahead and sign up for Nest Aware. It's just $6 a month. You'll get 30 days of events playback on all your Nest Cams and displays. Now say there's a storm and the power and Wi-Fi go out. No worries, Nest Cam keeps recording even when the power's down, and Nest Cam is the perfect monitoring device with a 60-minute storage limit. It also has an integrated floodlight, so it will work well in variety of situations. You're a noise outside, you'll be able to see what's happening. Hey Google, show me the outdoor camera. It looks like someone knocked on the door. Hey Brando. Your buddy's here. Oh, sorry. He's still sleeping. And that's how you can check in on your home anytime by using a Google Home voice command or live streaming on YouTube. From anywhere with the battery-powered Nest Cam from Google. Introducing the Arlo Go 2 LTE security camera, a device that lets you connect with it either by 4G LTE or Wi-Fi. The battery lasts for a long time and easily swappable. The installation is easy too, and has no wire star. And all-weather durability gives you year-round protection. Get notifications when Arlo detects what matters to you, and AMP, industry-leading AI vision, even in the dark. Act fast with one touch to send fire, police, or medical responders to your camera's location from your lock screen, or ward off unwelcome guests with a built-in siren or superior two-way audio capture, and review up to 30 days of footage. With secure cloud and local storage options, you'll be able to record everything with Arlo, no matter how you use it. Always stay calm knowing your data is safe and that your videos belong to you. The Arlo Go 2 LTE security camera. It's security made mobile. Introducing Swan's heat and motion sensing spotlight outdoor security camera. It's Wi-Fi surveillance with stunning 1080p full HD video and a durable, compact design made for outdoor surveillance. It's the perfect solution for homes and businesses looking for smart. Your Wi-Fi network. Just plug it into an electrical outlet, join your Wi-Fi network, and then pair it with the Swan security app. Swan's True Detect technology senses the heat and movement of objects such as people, cars, and large animals for reliable video recording and push notifications. The cameras will automatically turn on the lights when heat is detected, and the color quality of the video is high enough to show what clothes you're wearing and make out certain details like a car's color. And more for enhanced visual evidence up to 65 feet or 20 meters. Witness every detail 24/7 with 1080p full high-definition video, and a wide 110-degree viewing angle with lights and amp. Siren is perfect for watching your property. If it detects movement, you can set up the lights and siren to go off automatically or use them manually if you see someone suspicious loitering around your property. Talk back to kids or tradespeople, and even pets using the built-in microphone and speaker, or sound the siren to scare off intruders. The Google Assistant can also show you the front door. And the Spotlight security camera can work in conjunction with various Swan products, like Wi-Fi cameras and video doorbells. Swan Security Solutions provides a wide range of innovative home security systems. These include CCTV and NVR products, which can be monitored through our convenient app. Some of the features we have include heat-detecting cameras for outdoor protection and portable pan and tilt spotlight to spot intruders. We also provide full security solutions to meet anyone's needs. The Narbox rugged backup footage device is here to eliminate one of the biggest problems photographers and videographers face: time wasted going through the captured content. Narbox is a rugged and powerful device that lets you download all of your content and edit it on the go no matter where you are by using its own hotspot. Narbox transfers all the content from your memory card to the dedicated app. Once there, you can view, call, and edit in full resolution. The app is equipped with professional quality editing tools for color brightness and contrast adjustments, as well as slow motion and cropping with a backing speed of 4 GB per second. This device can certainly keep up with you. Dust, sand, and waterproof up to 1 meter are no match, as Narbox is designed to be taken truly anywhere. The Narbox is available on Amazon Launchpad footage device. Suck UK rechargeable bottle light, a cork-shaped LED light that fits almost any glass bottles, rechargeable in 1 hour by USB. Create warm decorative lights to suit any room or home decor. Easy to use, simply charge. Place the cork in any glass bottle and twist the cork to turn on the light. Prepare some impressive homemade party decorations using our battery LED lights, or perhaps some romantic wedding decorations for the top table. Start any party with just a few bottles. Unlike other types of LED Christmas lights, our USB cork bottle lights do not need a power supply, no cords or plugs to worry about, so you can enjoy hassle-free Christmas decor in any room. Ideal Halloween decorations using only battery-operated lights and an empty glass bottle. You'll easily create subtle and effective Halloween lights that won't spook your guests. Senshi wireless charging stand utilizes a high-efficiency and advanced dual-coil chipset with a larger sensing range, and can be charging horizontally or vertically. Simply place your phone in the center of the wireless charging stand for quickly charging. save you valuable time. This powerful wireless charger Bluetooth speaker has 15 watts powerful sound and crystal clear balanced bass, which demonstrates the superior surround stereo audio quality in Bluetooth connection, and supports high-fidelity lossless music using the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology compatible with all Bluetooth devices, and the wireless charger is designed with dual coils with a large receiving range and no blind spots, 1.5 times faster than standard wireless charger.